In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the ECE Prep Team Cheer Makeup look. Start by prepping your eyes with a few optional steps. I'm applying a thin layer of primer across my eyelid to help lock in the eyeshadow. Next, I'm dusting a little loose setting powder under my eyes. This helps catch any eyeshadow fallout and makes cleanup super easy later. Moving on to the eyeshadow look. Start with a matte eyeshadow closest to your skin tone and use a fluffy brush to sweep it across your eyelid for a smooth base color. Next, we are adding the shimmer eyeshadow to the inner eye. I'm spraying a Q-tip with setting spray and picking up some of the shimmer eyeshadow. Apply to the inner corner of the eye and the tear duct. Then I'm adding the neutral matte eyeshadow to the inner and middle lid with my fingertip. Then add one of the neutral matte eyeshadows in the crease depending on your skin tone. I'm using a dome-shaped brush to press it into my crease. Switch to a fluffy brush to blend it out. Next, we are adding the dark blue eyeshadow. Use a dome-shaped brush and press that color into the outer corner of your eye into a V shape. Here's an extra tip. If you want a sharp line of your smoky eye, you can line up your finger from the outer corner of your eye to the outer edge of your eyebrow, and that will keep the lines clean as you press the eyeshadow into the outer corner. Switch to a fluffy eyeshadow brush and lightly blend the outer corner into the crease. Now I'm spraying the dome-shaped brush with setting spray, and I'm adding more of the dark blue color in the outer corner. Layer in the outer corner for a stronger cat eye. Use a fluffy brush to soften it lightly. Next, I'm adding the peach shimmer eyeshadow into the center of the eye with my fingertip. Now I'm spraying an angled eyeliner brush with setting spray and using the dark blue color as an eyeliner, bringing it all the way to the outer corner. I'm also lining underneath the eye and focusing just in the outer corner. My last step for the eye is to add bronze liquid glitter. Lightly apply a small amount of liquid glitter to the center of the eyelid. Use the wand to lightly blend the sparkle towards the inner lid and outer corner to extend the sparkle a bit. If you added powder under your eyes, you can sweep it away along with any eyeshadow fallout. Next, I'm adding a little blush to the cheeks with this rosy shimmer color. You can use a powder puff or a blush brush to apply it. I focus the color onto the apples of my cheeks and upwards towards my hairline. I'm adding a couple coats of mascara to my lashes to give them some length. Now we're moving on to lips. To start with, use a makeup wipe to clean your lips so that there's no oils, balm, or makeup on them. Then grab your matte liquid lipstick. I like to line my lips first and then fill them in using a thin coat. Let it dry completely for a minute or two so that it doesn't budge. To keep this lip color transfer proof, it's really important to avoid all chapstick, lip balm, or lip gloss underneath the lip color or over top. You want to keep the lip color in the dry matte finish. The final step is to add mega glitter. So take a Q-tip and squeeze a small amount out of the pouch, about a dime size. Then apply it onto the side of the eyes around the temples in a C shape. A little goes a long way, so just use a small amount and you can always get more. Give it about a minute or two to dry. I'm finishing off the look with lashes, and I have a separate tutorial video for applying magnetic lashes with all my tips and tricks. And that's the completed Prep Team makeup look for East Coast Evolution. Have a great season, everyone!